Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. What we have done in our previous class, we have done exercise 1.1 and today we are going to do exercise 1.2. Before that, I will explain you what is predecessor and successor. So, predecessor means a number is one less than the number. What is the meaning of predecessor? It is one less than the number. Is one less than the number. Okay, now how can we find the predecessor of any number? See, there is an example. Suppose there is a number 10,000. Now, what is the predecessor of this number? How can we find it? By subtracting 1 from the given number. As predecessor is 1 less than the number, so by subtracting 1 from the given number, we will get the predecessor of any number. See, 10 minus 1, 9. See, as it have given borrow, what it become 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 have given borrow, what it become 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 8 have given borrow, what it become 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Then 0. So what is the 0? So what the number we get? 9,999. So what is the predecessor of this number? It is 9,999. Okay. See, there is one more example. There is 12,629. Now what is the predecessor of this number? We will get it by subtracting 1 from the given number. 9 minus 1, 8. 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 0, 6. 2 minus 0, 2. 1 minus 0, 1. So what is the predecessor of the given number? It is 12,628. Okay. Now what we will do? See, we have learned about the predecessor. Now we will learn about the successor. Okay, what is the successor? Successor means of any number is one more than the number. What it means? A number is one more than the given number. Is one more than the number. Okay. What is the successor? It is one more than the number. Okay. So how can we find a successor of any number? See, there is an example. What is the successor of 99,999? What it is? How will get? By adding 1 to the given number, we will get the successor of any number. Okay. See, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 is carried. 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 9 plus 1, 10. So what is the successor of any number? It is 1 lakh. What it is? 1 lakh. So what is the successor of 99,999? It is 1 lakh. Okay. See, there is another example. There is a number 25,625. What is the successor of this number? How we get? We will get the successor of this number by adding 1 to the given number. 5 plus 1, 6. 2 plus 0, 2. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. So what is the successor? It is 25,626. See, what was the predecessor? Predecessor is 1 less than the number. How will get? By subtracting 1 from the given number. What is the successor? It is 1 more than the number. How we will get it? By adding 1 to the given number. Students, now open your book, page number 19. There is your exercise 1.2. What is the exercise 1.2? So see, what is the first question given? It is given, write the predecessor and the successor of the following numbers. What you have to write? The predecessor and the successor. So what is the predecessor? See, a number is given 21,523. Before that, see students, in your notebook you have done until the exercise 1.1. So see students, after that you will start exercise 1.2 from the new page. Okay? Students, it is important to note down the exercise number 1.2 and today date 22 May. Okay? Our first question is given, write the predecessor and the successor of the following numbers. So see, how we will solve it? By drawing one table. In this there will be 3 columns first will be number, second will be predecessors, and third will be successors. So what is our first one given? It is given 21,523. How will find the predecessor of this number? See, predecessor means one less than the number, so we get 21,523 minus 1. So we'll get the predecessor of the number. See, where we can subtract it in our rough column. See, 21,523 minus 1. See, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 0, 2, 5 minus 0, 5, 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 0, 2. So what is the predecessor of this number? It is 21,522. Now what is the successor of this number? See, how we get a successor? Successor means one more than the number. How we get? By adding 1 to the given number. What is the number? 21,523. What we will add? 1 to the number. So what we will get? We will get the successor. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 0, 2. So what is the successor of the number? It is 21,524. See, how will do? 21,523 plus 1. Okay, so what will be? 21,524. Okay, now what is our B question given? B question is given 12,570. Students, leave one line after completing the first one, then note the B question. Okay, B question is your homework. Students, B question is your homework. Then after that, note down the C question. This one you will do on your own. What is the question given? It is given 3,40,025. It is given. This one is also your homework. Okay. B and C is your homework. I am going to say you the D question. Okay. So what is the D question given? D question is given 1,37,520. What it is given? 1,37,520. How we will get it? See, what is the predecessor of this number? How we get it? By subtracting 1 from the given number. See, what we will note down? We will note down 1,37,520 minus 1. So what we will get? We will get the predecessor of the given number. See, we will subtract in our rough column 1,37,520 minus 1. Okay, minus 1. So what it will become? It will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. As this number have given clarity, what it will become? 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 0, 7. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 0, 1. So what the number we get? We get the number 1,37,519. What is the predecessor of 1,37,520? It is 1,37,519. Now what is the successor of this number? See, we will note down 1,37,520 plus 1. What we will add? Plus 1. So we will see what we will get. 0 plus 1, 1. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 0, 3. 1 plus 0, 1. So what is the successor of 1,37,520? It is 1,37,521. See, we will note it down. 1,37,520 plus 1. Okay, so what is the successor? 1,37,521 is the successor of the given number. Now what is the E question given? E question is given 74,73,251. What it is given? 74,73,251. Now how we get the predecessor of this number? By subtracting 1 from the given number. See, 74,73,251 minus 1. Okay, see, 74,73,251 minus 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 0, 3. 7 minus 0, 7. 4 minus 0, 4. 7 minus 0, 7. So what is the predecessor? It is 74,73,250. What is the predecessor? 74,73,250. Now what is the successor of this number? 74,73,251 plus 1. Okay, what we have to do? Plus 1. We will do in the rough column. 74,73,251 plus 1. Okay, so 5 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 5 plus 0, 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 plus 0, 3, 7 plus 0, 7, 4 plus 0, 4, 7 plus 0, 7. So what is the successor? It is 74,73,252. What is the successor? 74,73,252. Now what is the F question given? F question is given 79,35. What it is given? 79,35. Now what is the predecessor of the given number? How we get? By subtracting 1 from the given number. See, what we'll do? 79,35 minus 1. Okay. See, we will do in our rough column. 79 lakh. Okay. 35 minus 1. So we'll get the predecessor. 5 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 0, 9. 7 minus 0, 7. So what is the predecessor of the number? It is 79 lakh and 34. Is the predecessor of the given number. Now what is the successor of 79 lakh 35? How will get? By adding 1 to the number. See, 79 lakh 35 plus 1. Okay, so we will do in our rough column. See, 79 lakh 35 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 0, 3. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 0, 7. So what is the successor? It is 79 lakh 36. Okay. So what is the predecessor of 79 lakh 35? It is 79 lakh 34. And what is the successor? It is 79 lakh 36. See, in the first question, B and C is your homework. What is your homework? B and C1 is your homework. Okay. That the students, B and C question is your homework. See, now what is our second question given? Second question is given, write the successor of the greatest 5-digit number. Now what is the 5-digit number? Anyone remember? It is 99,999. What is the successor? Successor means plus 1. So, see, firstly we will note down the question in our notebook. See, I have noted down the question. How we will solve it? See it, everyone. See, we will add 1 to the given number. See, firstly we will note down the greatest 5-digit number. What is the greatest 5-digit number? Greatest 5-digit number equal to 99,999. Now, what is the successor of the greatest 5-digit number? We will add successor of 5-digit number equals to 99,999 plus 1. See, this you can add in your rough column or you can add in the fair column where you want. Okay. See, what is the successor? We will add 99,999 plus 1. Okay. So 9 plus 1, 10. 1 is carried. 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 9 plus 1, 10. So what is the number? We will read it 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. What it is? 1 lakh. Successor of 99,999 is 1 lakh. We will note down the answer. Successor of 5-digit number equals to 1 lakh. What is the successor? It is 1 lakh. Now what is our third question given? Third question is given, write the predecessor of the smallest 6-digit number. What is given? Predecessor of the smallest 6-digit number. Predecessor means 1 less than the number. Now what is the smallest 6-digit number? It is 1 lakh. What it is? 1 lakh. See, I have noted down the question. Write the predecessor of the smallest 6-digit number. Now what is our smallest 6-digit number? It is 1 lakh. See, we will note down the smallest 6-digit number equals to 1 lakh. What it is? 1 lakh. Now, what is the predecessor of the number? How we get? By doing 1 less than the number. Okay. So, see, predecessor of smallest 6-digit number equals to 1 lakh minus 1. What it will be? 1 lakh minus 1. See, this also you can do in the rough column subtraction. Okay. See, this is my rough column. So, I will subtract the number there. See, 1 lakh. Okay. Minus 1. Okay. See, now 0 is smaller than 1. So, it will take the borrow. Okay. So, what it will become? 10. 10 minus 1. 9. What it will become? 9, as it have given the borrow. So 9 minus 0, 9. It have given borrow. What it will become? 9. 9 minus 0, 9. It have given borrow. What it will become? 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Then 9. It will become 9. 9 minus 0, 9. Then what? 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. So what is the number? It is 99,999. Okay, get it? What is the number? 99,999. So we will note down the answer. Predecessor of smallest 6-digit number equals to 99,999. Got it? Completed. Now what is our fourth question given? Fourth question is given. Fill in the blanks. What it is given? Fill in the blanks with less than, greater than, or equal to sign. Okay. See, which sign? See, where the open sign is there, open mouth is there, that side means that there is the greatest number, and which side is the closed mouth, that is the smallest number. Okay. And equal sign for then both the numbers are equal. Okay. Now we will firstly note down these questions in our notebook, then we will do it. See students, I have noted down the question number 4. Now we will mark the sign which side is greater or smaller or equal. Okay. What is our first one? It is given 12,876 and 43,267. See, now how will come to know which side is greater? See, you will see once. See, you will see the digit from the left side. From where? Left side. Left side means 10,000 position. See, it is what? 12 and it is what? 43. What it is? 43. So what is greater? 43 is greater than what? 12. So which side is greater? This side. So our open mouth will come to this side. Okay. Now C. Now C question is given 6,17,325 equals 6,17,325. See, now both the digits are equal, so which sign will come? Equal. Okay. Now what is the equation given? It is given 9,62,531. Then what is given? 1,35,269. See, in this number, it is also a 6-digit number. It is also a 6-digit number. Now see, from the left side, our first digit is what? 9, and in this, from the left side, what is our first digit? 1. So we know 9 is greater than 1. So which number is greater? This number. So our arrow sign will be this side. Okay. Our greater than sign will be this side. Okay. As 9,62,531 is greater than 1,35,269. Now we will see count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-digit number, and it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 5-digit number. Means which digit is greater? This, as it is having a 6-digit number. So this side number is greater than this side. See, 6-digit number means 1 lakh and 5-digit number means 10,000. So which side is greater? This side. Students, we have done A, C, E, G. Now B, D, F, H is your homework. What is your homework? B, D, F, H. Okay. Now what is our fifth question given? Fifth question is given. See, write the successor or the predecessor to fill in the blanks. Now see, it is asking the predecessor or the successor. Means we don't have to find both the numbers in one. We have to find either successor or predecessor. Okay. So see, as in first one, blanks are given after the number. So what we will find? The successor, because successor means +1. See, as in the B1, what it is given? Blanks are given before the number. So means 1 less than the number. So what we will do? We will find predecessor in this one. Okay. Now firstly, we will note down the question in our notebook. Students, see, I have noted down the question. Write the successor or predecessor to fill in the blanks. See, in this, firstly the number is given, then the blanks are given. Okay. So what is the meaning of successor? One more than the number means we have to find the next number. If we have to find the next number, so what it means? Successor. And if we want to find the before number, what it means? Predecessor. So in this, what we have to find? We have to find the successor of the given number. See, what you can do? You can add 1 in the rough column. Okay. Or downside of the question. See, I am adding downside of the question. 8,53,416 plus 1. So see what we will get? 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 0, 4. 3 plus 0, 3. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. So what is the successor of the number? It is 8,53,417. Get it? Now what is the next successor? How will get? By adding 1 to this number, not to this number, by adding 1 to this number. Okay. 8,53,417 plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 0. What it will be? 1. 4 plus 0, 4. 3 plus 0, 3. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. Okay. So what is the successor? It is 8,53,418. Okay. Now what is the next successor? How we get? By adding 1 to 418. Okay. So we will note down 8,53,418 plus 1. So what we will get? We will get the successor of the next number. See, 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 0, 1. 4 plus 0, 4. 3 plus 0, 3. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. So what is the number? We get the number 8,53,419. Okay. See, we have find the next successor of the number 8,53,416. Now what is our B question given? See, we will note down. Our B question is given. See, it is given. First, see, blanks are given, then the number is given. Okay, so we have to find the before number. Before number means 1 less than the number. So what we will find? The predecessor of the given number. Okay. See, we have to find the predecessor of the given number. See, if we are subtracting 1 from the given number in the back side, so we will not get the first number first. We will get the last second number first, as we are subtracting 1 from the given number. Okay, so see, we will subtract it. 2,34,521 minus 1. So what will get? 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 0 equals to 2. 5 minus 0 equals to 5. 4 minus 0 equals to 4. 3 minus 0 equals to 3. 2 minus 0 equals to 2. So what is the predecessor of 2,34,521? It is 2,34,520. Now what is the next predecessor of 2,34,520? We will find it. 2,34,520 minus 1. Okay. We will not subtract from this number, we will subtract from this number. What the answer we get, we will subtract from it. Okay. See, now 0 is smaller than 1. So what it will be? It will take the borrow. What it will become? 10. And this number will give the borrow. So what it will become? 1. Okay. 10 minus 1, 9. 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. So what is the number we get? We get the number 2,34,519. We will note it. 2,34,519. Now what is the next predecessor? How we will get? By subtracting 1 from the number what we get. Now 2,34,519 minus 1. Okay. 9 minus 1, 8. 1 minus 0, 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. Okay, so what is the first predecessor? It is 2,34,518. See, we get all the predecessors of the number 2,34,521 by subtracting the number from 1. Get that, students? Now what is our C question given? C question is given 99,999. C question is your homework. I am noting down in the notebook. It is your homework. C. In the C question I have noted down. This is the homework for you. I have left the place. Now what is your D question? See, in the D question, see, firstly the blanks are given, then a number is given. Means you have to find the before numbers. Before numbers means what you have to find? The predecessor of the given number. So what is the number given? 10 lakh. How will find? By subtracting 1 from the 10 lakh. We will subtract 10 lakh minus 1. Now 0 is smaller than 1. Okay, so what it will take? It will take the borrow. What it will become? 10. What it will become? 9. What it will become? 9. What it is? 9. What? 9. What? 9. What? 0. Okay. Now 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 0, 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 9. Now 0 minus 0, 0. So what the number we get? We get the number 9,99,999. So what is our first predecessor of 10 lakh? It is 9,99,999. Okay. Now what is the predecessor of 9,99,999? How we will get? By subtracting 1 from the given number. We will subtract 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 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 So what is the predecessor? It is 9,99,998. Okay. Now what is the predecessor of 9,99,998? We will see it. See. Minus 1. 8 minus 1. 7, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 0, 9. So what is the predecessor? It is 9,99,997. Okay. So we get the three predecessors of the 10 lakh. So what are the predecessors? They are 9,99,997, 9,99,998. 9,99,999 are the predecessors of 10 lakh. Okay. Now, C question is the homework in the 5th question. Now, we will come to our 6th question. So, what is our 6th question? See in the book. It is given, arrange the following numbers in ascending and in descending order. So, what is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. And what is the meaning of descending order? Descending order means big to small, or we can say that ascending and descending orders are the opposite of each other. We can say, yes, we can say it, that they both are the opposite. Ascending means small to big, descending means big to small. Now what is the first question given? It is given 2,45,621, 1,26,542, 45,169, 34,805. Okay. Now we will firstly note down the question in our notebook. Okay, students. See, students, I have noted down the sixth question. Sixth question is given: arrange the following numbers in ascending and in descending order. We know these both are the opposite of each other. Okay. Now, what is our first one given? First one is given. See, we can count firstly the digits. Okay, or we can see the digit from the left side. Okay, what is this one? 2,45,621. Then 1,26,542, then 45,169, then 34,805. Now we can see that these both are the 5-digit number and these both are the 6-digit number. So which is our smallest number? See, now we can see these both are the 5-digit number, means these both are smaller than the 6-digit number. Okay, now firstly we will see our both 5-digit number, that which one is smaller than which. Okay, see, it is given 45,169 and it is given 34,805. So you know 45 is bigger than 34. You know 45 is bigger than 34. We will see from the left side. Okay, we will not count from the right side as we were counting the ones, tens, 100. Okay, we will count from the left side or from the first digit. Okay, so which one is smaller? 34,805 is greater. We will note down 34,805. Then which digit is smaller? Sorry, which digit is greater? Then 45,169 is greater. Then see, now these both are the 6-digit number. We will see which one is greater. See, it is given 2,45,621. It is given 1 lakh. Means 2 is greater than 1. So what is smaller? 1,26,542 is smaller. So what will come first? 1,26,542. And which number will come? That will come 2,45,621. Okay, we have arranged this number in the ascending order. Now, how to arrange the number in descending order? See, what is the last digit in this? It is the greatest digit. So our greatest digit in the descending order comes the first. So we will write the opposite. Which is the last digit? It will come at the first. And what is the first digit? It will come at the last of the descending order. See, 2,45,621 will be the greater. Then which is greater? 1,26,542. Then which digit is greater? 45,169. Then 34,805 is greater. Okay, in this way we can write the opposite of ascending order in descending order. So we will write the number arranged in descending order. Okay, now what is our B question? We will see the B question. B question is given. See, 9,98,999, then 8,99,989, then 9,98,899, then 98,889. See, we can see that these three numbers are the 6-digit number. What are they? They are the 6-digit number, and this one is the 5-digit number. So which one is first smaller number? It is 98,889. Okay, as it is a 5-digit number, it is more smaller than the 6-digit number. Okay, now which is smaller? We will see. See, it is 9 lakh, it is 8 lakh, it is 9 lakh. So what is smaller? 8 is smaller than 9. Means after that, which is the smallest number? That is 8,99,989. Okay, then which is the smallest? See, smallest means bigger than this number. What is bigger than this? See, it is 9 lakh, it is also 9 lakh. Then it is also 98,000, it is also 98,000. Now it is what? 900, and it is what? 800. Now which one is greater? 900 is greater than 800. So which one is smaller? This number is smaller. See, we are seeing the number from the left side. Okay, so which one is smaller? Our number is smaller. 9,98,899. Okay, then which is smaller? See, 9,98,999. This number is the most greatest number in these 4 numbers. Okay, now what is the descending order of this? How we will arrange it? We can write the opposite of the ascending order. What was the last digit in this? It will become the first digit in this. Okay, What was the last number? It will become the first number in the descending order. What was the last? It was 9,98,999. Okay. Now 9,98,899. Then 8,99,989. Then 98,889. Get it, students? See, we have arranged the number in ascending and in descending order. Okay. Now, what is the C question given? C question is given 1,21,211, then 61,250, then 90,153, then 90,50,530. It is given. We can see this is a 6-digit number, it is a 5-digit number, it is a 5-digit number, and it is a 7-digit number. So which one is the most bigger number? 7-digit number is bigger than the 6-digit number. So first number in the descending order will be this, then 6-digit number, then see these both are the 5-digit number. We will see 61 and 90. Which one is greater? 90 is greater than 61. So then our which number will be greater? This 90,153, and the most smallest number will be 61,254. Firstly, we will arrange the number in the descending order. Okay. See, which is the greatest, most greatest? It is 90,15,530. Now, which one is smaller than this? 1,21,211. Then which is 90,153 is the bigger. Then which one is the most smaller number? It is 61,254 is the most smaller number. Get it, students? Which one is smaller? This one. Now we will write the opposite of this number. So we will get the number in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So most smaller number will be 61,254. Then bigger than this 90,153. Then bigger than this 1,21,211. Then bigger than this 90,15,530. Okay. We have arranged the number in ascending and in descending order. See, what is the D question given? D question is given 62,17,031, 6,21,703, 64,15,273, 63,93,970. This one is your homework. You will arrange in ascending and descending order on your own. Now, what is the next question? E question is given 86,67,685, then 86,77,685, then 86,67,681, then 86,77,648. This one is also your homework. In the sixth question, D1 and E1 is your homework. Students, today we have completed exercise 1.2. Complete this work in your notebook in a good handwriting, in a proper manner. Don't write in rough column. Remember it. And use only the black and blue pen. That is, should be the gel pen. Okay? Write neatly and properly. In the next class, we will do the next exercise. Okay? So, till that, complete your work.